150 Ways to Say Sorry in English. From Basic to Professional Apologies. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to apologize in English, but just couldn't find the right words? Today, we're diving into something we all need sometimes: how to say sorry in English. But here's the thing: a simple sorry isn't always enough. The way you apologize in English can change completely depending on who you're talking to, where you are, what happened, how formal the situation is. That's exactly what makes it tricky for English learners like you. So in today's lesson, you will learn 150 English phrases to say sorry in every situation. There are 3 levels. Level 1, beginner everyday apologies. Level 2, intermediate situational apologies. Level 3, intermediate and advanced apologies in professional and emotional situations. If you don't understand a phrase, write it down and then look up the meaning. This way you'll really remember it because you put effort in finding the answer. Shadow along and repeat the phrases after me. Good luck and enjoy the lesson. Level 1. Beginner phrases. Quick and simple sorry expressions. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. My bad. I apologize. Sorry. Really sorry. So sorry. Excuse me. Pardon me. I made a mistake. Apologizing for minor accidents and mistakes. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Oops, sorry. Sorry, my fault. I didn't do it on purpose. Sorry about the mess. Sorry for bumping into you. I didn't see you there. Sorry, I dropped it. Sorry for being loud. Sorry for the confusion. Apologizing for being late. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry about the delay. Sorry, the traffic was bad. Sorry, I lost track of time. Sorry for being delayed. Sorry to keep you waiting. I know I'm late, sorry. Sorry, the bus was late. Sorry for not being on time. Level 2, PreIntermediate. Expressing genuine remorse. I'm really sorry about that. I sincerely apologize. I feel terrible about this. This won't happen again. I truly regret what happened. Please accept my apology. I shouldn't have done that. That was my fault entirely. I take full responsibility. I know I was wrong. Workplace and professional apologies. I apologize for the oversight. Sorry for the late response. I apologize for any inconvenience. Sorry for missing the deadline. I apologize for the mistake in my report. Sorry for not informing you earlier. I regret the error in my work. Sorry for the miscommunication. I apologize for the delayed feedback. Sorry for not following up sooner. Social and personal relationship apologies. Sorry, I can't make it tonight. I apologize for canceling last minute. Sorry for not returning your call. I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings. Sorry for interrupting you. I apologize for my behavior. Sorry for not paying attention. I apologize for the misunderstanding. Sorry for forgetting your birthday. I'm sorry if I offended you. Level 2 and 3. Intermediate and Advanced. In-depth personal apologies. I deeply regret my actions. I take full responsibility for what happened. I'm terribly sorry for the trouble I've caused. I apologize unreservedly for my mistake. I understand how my actions affected you. I know what I did was wrong, and I'm truly sorry. Please let me make it up to you. I feel awful about what happened. I realize now that I should have acted differently. I apologize for any distress I may have caused. Corporate and formal business apologies. I sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. Please accept my heartfelt apology for the oversight. I take full responsibility for the error in judgment. We deeply regret any disruption to your schedule. I apologize for not meeting your expectations. I'm sorry for not handling the situation better. Please allow me to rectify this situation. I understand the impact this has had on the project. We acknowledge our mistake and are taking steps to prevent it. I apologize for not addressing your concerns sooner. Addressing emotional harm and deep regret. I never meant to hurt you, and I'm truly sorry that I did. I realize now how thoughtless my actions were. I wish I could take back what I said. I value our relationship, and I'm sorry for jeopardizing it. I understand if you need time to forgive me. I know I broke your trust, and I'm deeply sorry. My behavior was inexcusable, and I apologize. I feel terrible about causing you pain. I regret not considering your feelings. I'm sorry for letting you down. Offering solutions and making things right. How can I make this right? What can I do to fix this? I'd like to make it up to you somehow. Please let me know how I can correct this. I want to do whatever it takes to resolve this. Is there anything I can do to make amends? I hope you'll give me a chance to make things right. I'd appreciate the opportunity to fix this. Let me know what I can do to help resolve this. I'm committed to making this right. Professional written apology templates. I am writing to express my sincere apologies for. Please accept my deepest apologies regarding. I would like to extend my formal apology for. I am writing to apologize formally for the recent. Please allow me to apologize for the unfortunate. I deeply regret to inform you that. I take this opportunity to apologize for. I wish to convey my sincere apologies for. I must apologize for the recent events concerning. Please accept this letter as a formal apology for. I must apologize for the recent events concerning. Please accept this letter as a formal apology for. Post-apology follow-up phrases. I hope you can forgive me. I promise this won't happen again. I've learned from this mistake. I will do better in the future. I appreciate your understanding. Thank you for giving me another chance. I value your forgiveness. I'm grateful for your patience. I understand if you need time. I hope we can move past this. Taking ownership of mistake. I should have known better. I completely understand why you're upset. There's no excuse for my behavior. I recognize that I was in the wrong. I should have handled things differently. I know I disappointed you. I accept full responsibility for my actions. I understand the consequences of my actions. I know I should have acted differently. I acknowledge my part in this situation. Cross-cultural apology awareness. I apologize for my cultural insensitivity. I'm sorry for not respecting your customs. I should have been more aware of your traditions. I apologize for my inappropriate behavior. I'm sorry for not understanding your perspective. I regret my lack of cultural awareness. I apologize for any offense I may have caused. I'm sorry for not being more considerate. I should have been more mindful of your beliefs. I apologize for my ignorance in this matter. Moving forward and rebuilding trust. I hope we can start fresh. Let's put this behind us. I want to rebuild your trust. I'm committed to changing my behavior. I've taken steps to prevent this from happening again. I hope we can work through this together. I value our relationship too much to let this ruin it. I'm focused on making positive changes. I want to learn from this experience. I'm dedicated to earning back your trust.